you. Yes, man, I'm going to do it today. It's skydive spaceland. I'm going to do sky jumping. You know, that's 14,000 feet. You know. I'm just excited. I want to do it. I want to fly, you know.
All right, you're gonna jump at Skydive Spaceland from 14,000 feet.
Yeah,
right?
it's 14,000 feet. Excited, cross my heart.
All right. There's one other thing you gotta do, right? You got a thing on your wrist there. What are you using that for?
Yeah, it's like, I mean, they said like around 7,000 feet. I'm going to pull out my parachute, you know.
That's right.
Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know. Let's see it. I mean, let's do it.
All right, you look pretty excited.
Yeah, excited, pretty much.
Are you nervous at all?
Yeah, somewhat.
Okay. Yeah, there we go.
Cool, man.
So you ready to go hop on the airplane?
Yes, yes.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah. Okay, it's 7,000 feet, you know, and we are still going up.
Turn this camera on. Where are we gonna be?
We're going to fly.
That's right. We're gonna be outside.
Yeah, outside. You see the clouds? Clouds, man, clouds everywhere. We're going to fly.
You're obviously ready to skydive.
Yes.
So I'll see you outside.
Man, I did it. Yes, yes.
All right, would you?
Hey, right on, man.
Man, I did it. All right, Siva, would you do that again?
Yes, definitely. I'm going to do it again.
Tell all of your friends where they're going skydiving with you.
Yes, man.
Spaceland, baby.
Yes, I'm doing with Skydive Spaceland.
All right, man. So I look forward to jumping with you again. So we'll see you next time.
Yes, definitely. Sure.
All right, thank you, Siva.
Thank you, man.